In this short video, I'll show you how to swap USDT to XRP on Binance. If you don't already have a Binance account, you can simply click the link in this video's description to register for one. After that, you'll need to have USDT available in your balance. To achieve this, you can utilize the deposit function. You select Deposit Crypto, then choose USDT, and finally select the specific network through which you wish to send your USDT. The transaction speed and the associated fee will both vary depending on the specific network you choose to use. For example, let's select Solana, choose the address, and check what our minimum deposit is. It can be different for each network. Then we send our USDT to Binance. Now I'll navigate to my spot wallet, and there I can confirm that I have USDT available in my balance. At this point, I can utilize the convert function to swap my USDT for XRP. Alternatively, you can go to the trade menu and select Convert and Block Trade. Then you'll choose Instant in order to instantly convert your USDT into XRP. USDT has already been selected for us. If it isn't already, you can select USDT right here. And below, we need to select XRP, which is the cryptocurrency we intend to receive. XRP. We can see our balance here, and we have the option to choose from various wallets. For instance, you could be holding USDT within your funding wallet, or perhaps your spot wallet. Next, specify the amount you wish to exchange, and you'll immediately see the quantity of XRP you will receive. Then, simply click on Preview. The transaction fee is 0, so you just click Convert. As you can see, we have successfully swapped 10 USDT into XRP. Let's click OK. OK. Now, let's head back to our spot wallet, and I can confirm that XRP has now appeared in our balance, and that effectively wraps everything up. In this video, I demonstrated how to swap USDT for XRP on the Binance exchange. If you have any questions, leave a comment below this video.